Solid Edge provides agricultural machinery manufacturers with affordable solutions to help transform product development processes and deliver world-class products to customers. This is done using a portfolio of flexible, easy-to-use software solutions that help meet customer demands for machinery and equipment with precision farming capabilities and lower ownership costs, all while staying ahead of the competition with lower development and manufacturing costs. The Solid Edge portfolio includes industry-leading design, simulation, and manufacturing and data management capabilities, together with many add-on apps to provide a comprehensive solution set for creating and using digital models throughout the product development process. Our tour today will highlight workflows using this precision planter for row crop farming from one of our agricultural machinery customers, Tebotech. To begin, let's take a look at the core area of 3D digital design. Siemens Solid Edge provides all of the tools needed to create 3D digital models of agricultural machinery and equipment. Whether working with complex part or sheet metal designs, tools such as those offered with Solid Edge Synchronous Technology make creation a breeze. First, let's finish up this relatively complex hopper design. Using Synchronous Technology, it doesn't matter whether parts are made in Solid Edge or another CAD tool, changes can be made easily. Once our core shape is defined, we'll use a unique part-to-sheet metal capability to convert this shape into a sheet metal design. This allows us to identify precisely where we want our bends and brakes to be located to ensure that the end result is a correct, manufacturable sheet metal part. Our design incorporates innovative support for precision farming, in this case specifically for precise delivery of both seed and fertilizer. Our framework needs to be airtight to create a vacuum that is used to control the dispersal. Solid Edge allows for full control of design data, allowing users to include important information such as these special weld instructions for pressure testing, making sure that products are correct the first time around. Innovative design such as this decreases cost of ownership for the end user with fewer exposed lines and hoses needed to be maintained and replaced. Not only does Solid Edge provide best-in-class modeling with solid and sheet metal parts, but also robust design solutions for wire harness, frames and weldments, and pipe and tube routing, all seamlessly integrated. Here, we'll finish up this wire harness for a tractor cab. Routing wires in Solid Edge is easy. With full support of imported ECAD data such as existing wiring schematics, to wire creation and routing from scratch, agricultural machinery manufacturers can run wires to GPSs and sensors with ease. On top of that, Solid Edge ensures manufacturing accuracy with full support of nailboard designs, showing exactly how the harness will be created and what wires go where. Fast and accurate design for agricultural machinery manufacturers using Solid Edge results in lower product development and manufacturing costs, enabling you to maintain your competitive advantage and beat out other low-cost providers. Next, let's take a look at the simulation solution offered with Solid Edge. Solid Edge Simulation offers a fully integrated experience. No matter what type of analysis being run, consistent and intuitive workflows are used throughout, enabling designs to be optimized and validated by designers, not FEA experts. With studies to simulate for stress, thermal, buckling, vibration, and even fluid flows, all powered by Siemens' own simulation technology and Nastran, you can be confident that the results are accurate. Solid Edge Simulation provides the tools to ensure that agricultural machinery manufacturers and customers know that their parts are right for the job, resulting in lower ownership cost and higher confidence in the delivered product. Next up, manufacturing. Once a design is finished, it's time to prepare for manufacturing. Solid Edge supports many different manufacturing processes, from creating accurate 2D drawings for manufacturers, additive manufacturing, such as 3D printing, and subtractive manufacturing, such as CNC machining. In order to manufacture this bearing housing, we'll need to utilize a subtractive turning process. Here, the Solid Edge CAM solution operates directly on the 3D model, allowing for intuitive creation of associative toolpaths. Once the full machining process is created, a G-code simulation shows the full operation taking place exactly as it would in the machine shop. This example requires a relatively simple 2.5-axis machining operation, but 3, 4, and even 5-axis machining operations are fully supported to manufacture more complex components. Next up, data management. No matter the size of a company or the complexity of the product, secure and accurate data management is important to get control of technical data, improve collaboration, and speed completion of your design projects. Solid Edge provides scalable data management solutions to meet the specific needs of different manufacturers. Here, we see Siemens PLM Software's Team Center, the most comprehensive product lifecycle management solution available today. With direct access to your data from within the Solid Edge application and the automatic completion of many tedious data management processes, accessing and working with your technical data is faster and more intuitive than ever before. And finally, Solid Edge apps. Apps can be used to solve a wide range of additional design and manufacturing challenges. One example is using 3D digital models to create technical publications to clearly communicate how products should be manufactured, installed, and maintained. For example, an interactive operator's manual for our planter can be created using 3D part and assembly models, helping end users use and maintain their equipment correctly, reducing warranty claims and further ensuring low cost of ownership. As you can see, the Solid Edge portfolio greatly improves product development performance for the agricultural machinery and equipment industry. With rich design solutions, simulation, manufacturing, data management, and best-in-class apps, Solid Edge answers demands for precision farming at lower ownership costs, all while staying ahead of the competition with lower product development and manufacturing costs. To find out more, check out the Solid Edge YouTube channel, or try it out for yourself by downloading a free trial today. Solid Edge, design better.